Yes, now this is artist's dream to have natural colors on painting or canvas. How it was done ages ago and centuries ago. So we have tried to recreate it, which is not only painting on canvas, we have developed color to paint on wall also. So here we are giving a demo for the herbal painting kit to start with. So let's see what is there in the painting kit. There is an instruction book. There is again a neutral gum to make the paint thicker if we want to. Then we have this black color. Then we have yellow. We have red. We have blue. So practically if you have red, blue and yellow in your palette, you can create any shades. You could always mix these shades and create your own shade. So here we'll try and do a demo to see how the natural dyes comes on the canvas. So let us open one of these colors. We'll open the red one. Let's open another color, which is blue. And let's open yellow. Actually using the paste, let us mix it a little bit so it is evenly distributed inside. We can always use the cap, just mix it like this. Same we can do for the yellow also. So we have three basic colors in front of us. Let's see how it comes up on the canvas or any piece of fabric which is ready for dyed. This is red color. You could apply it in any place where you want to. You can see the dark red which comes out from this. You can always dilute it with the water if you want to make it little thinner or dilute the color shade. We can use other color. Say we go for blue. You can apply the blue color here. You can see the blue color coming. This is yellow. As you see, the yellow is little thinner than the other colors. So in case if you want to make it thicker, you can use the gum here. This is a natural gum which if added to a little thickness to the color, suppose we put up some color here and we add the gum here, you can make it dilute and little thicker, as you can see. So now it is more thicker than what it was earlier. An artist would know how much thickness it is required as per the canvas, as per the paints they want to do on. Similarly, you could always use the blue. This looks quite thicker though, but in case if you want to make it more thicker, you can always use the neutral gum. Mix it little. But remember, when you are mixing gum, it is also making the color little dilute than what it originally is. Yeah, this is how you can do the painting on canvas, and actually this painting can also be used on other surfaces like wood as well, but for the wood and the wall you need another finishing material, herbal material, to make it finish and to make it shine and make it permanent.